myself to tell him the truth. I felt that Sasori was too young to know about his parents' deaths. I wasn't there for him when he was suffering the most. Sasori was perceptive. He'd already figured out his parents were dead.
This puppet body of mine can't feel any pain.
How can you treat people this way?
The teachings and customs of the Sand Village did this. We all share the blame for making him what he is today.